Whether you're moving to another city, state, or even country, going to college away from home is an exciting but often sucky experience, from paying out-of-state tuition to simply missing your friends and family. And while I definitely cannot help you with the former, I may be able to help you with the latter. So here are my top 3 tips for curing homesickness from my own experience as an international student. Number 1. Make a group chat with your friends and family. Keeping up with people is hard when you're living in different places. You say you're gonna talk to each other every day, and at first you do, until you don't. And then you slowly start to become nothing but a distant memory. One of the best ways I've found to mitigate this is to create a group chat. Group chats are a lot more low commitment than one-on-one conversations, and they allow you to feel like you're in your loved one's presence without the necessity of having to say something every day to keep the conversation going. Number 2. Explore your new environment. Go out and find your favorite spots to hang out in, both on and off campus, be it a bar or a nature trail or a local coffee shop. Finding these spaces in which you are comfortable is a great way to start feeling more at home in your new environment. And lastly, my best advice is to, number 3, go out and meet new people. When I first moved to the US, I wanted to go back to Venezuela so badly. It took me a year and a half to finally make some good friends. But when I did, these new friends became like a new home to me. This is obviously easier said than done, but you're gonna meet so many new people in college that you're bound to find at least 1 or 2 that you can get along with.